mining. I'm good. Beta! I'm driving in a winter storm right now. No, but they put some salt on the roads and everything. But dude, I was trying to escape the snow, but I got right back into it. I was trying to escape it in case it snowed. Meanwhile, it just started snowing in Nashville. Yeah, I mean, they salted the roads, though, so they did a good job. But I'm just surprised. I'm just surprised that it did it this soon. So I'm good. I'm going slow. But I already saw a truck got toppled over, and I saw a 3-4 car accident. I mean, I'm just driving slow. I'm doing the basics.